All right, we're rolling.
Alrighty. Online dating has grown from a novelty to a real way to find romance. Unfortunately, for every success story, there's also a horror story. In this Komando DIY, we'll tell you how to safely navigate the cyber sea of love. The most important step is to protect yourself from online predators, so it's important to choose the right dating website. Do your research and make sure it's a reputable site, and read their privacy policy. Build a date-worthy profile. Choose your photos carefully because they can contain details about you in the background. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Keep a tight grip on the personal information you share in your profile. For example, say what you do for work, but don't include the company name. When you and your new sweetheart are ready to move to email or phone calls, use a free email and Google Voice account that you create just for that dating website. Don't catch a catfish. If you suspect something, do a reverse image search of their profile picture. If you decide that you want to meet up IRL, that's in real life, pick a public place and tell a close friend where you're meeting. If it's too soon to meet up one-on-one, try a group dating site. Online dating sites can be a good way to land a great catch. Remember to exercise caution when getting to know someone new, but also don't forget to have fun. If you want more tips for dating success at your fingertips, get Kim's ebook, 7 Steps to Online Dating Success. Get it at Amazon for your Kindle.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.